Hello everyone, welcome to Southern Wreaths. Today I'm going to make this curl method wreath with these adorable ice skates. These are the supplies I'm going to use to make this wreath. I'm going to start by cutting my mesh. I decided to use 3 different colors of mesh this time. I've got a 12-inch jute, a 10-inch white with the iridescent, and then this top mesh is 10 inches and it's got like a cream color with the gold metallic stripe. It's so beautiful. I'm going to cut 10-inch sections of this, and then I decided to add some ribbon in with bundles. I'm going to do 3 different ribbons mixed in with the bundles. I'm cutting them at 12 inches. I just have this piece of cardboard. It's slightly less than 12 inches, and I just like to wrap my ribbon around and then cut at either end so I get perfect 12-inch pieces of ribbon. I do dovetail the ends of these. I have this really pretty, it's like tone on tone gold ribbon with ornaments, a sheer gold, and then that has stars, and then that really pretty gold in the middle. I wouldn't even know how you would describe that, but it had a really nice shine to it. I'm gonna make all my bundles exactly the same, except I changed the ribbon, and I'm just curling them, not too tight, not too loose. And then I like to use my bow dabber to help make the bundles. It just makes my life easier. And then I'll just curl it and add it into the bow dabber. If you don't have a bow dabber, you can use like a chip clip, or you can just hold them in your fingers. And I do go through and do each kind of ribbon, and I separated them into different boxes, and then as I was making them, I was alternating, making like a pattern. I really love these colors, and I fell in love with the ice skates. I found them at Dollar General, and I was like, I really have to make a gold wreath with these. I've been really into silver and gold this season. But I go through and make all of my bundles, and I'll show you how I did it again, just a little bit quicker. And I'll just curl it and then stick it in there. So even if you don't make bows with your bow dabber, you can still use it. The way I figure out how many bundles I need is I'll just kind of fill up one, count how many's in it, and then just times that by 6 because there's 6 sections. I think I had 1 bundle left over that I probably could have squeezed in there, but it had fell on the floor, so I didn't worry about it. So I'm just using a 14-inch wire frame, and I like to put the pipe cleaners on either side of the middle wires. I did cut these pipe cleaners in half. You don't need a full pipe cleaner. It just makes a big mess in the back. And then I tuck it up under so it's not sticking out. Then I'll just position my ribbon. I do suggest not twirling the wreath frame like I'm about to do. When you do that, it makes it where the bundles will not slide. They get, super stuck because they're so tight. And with this method, you kind of need to be able to move them around. I mean, unless you can put them right up against each other, but I don't like to do it that way. I get stabbed by the pipe cleaners. But see, that was like really hard to push over. And they're not going to move once you fill it up, so it doesn't matter if it's a little bit loose, so you can move them around. I believe I was able to fit 4 bundles in each section. Maybe 5, I can't remember. But I did like it really full. I wanted it to be super tight. And now I'm just showing you as I went through the different, sections that I finished. This is a really quick video, super simple. I actually have another curl method video that I can link to here. So I really love these ice skates. So I'm just going to use a staple gun and my pipe cleaners. And I'm going to put 2 staples in it, and then I like to twist it. And I am going to put 2 on each skate so that I can attach them to the top and the bottom of the wreath frame. And I'll just feed the pipe cleaner through to the back and then twist it around the wire frame. It does take a minute, so I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me do that the whole time. But you just want to find a hole and just dig your way through, position it where you want it, tighten the pipe cleaner. You don't want to tighten it too much because it'll squeeze down on the wreath, and especially with curl method, you don't want to do that because it smushes it. Okay, so I made a bow, and I'll link to a video here on how I do a bow with my bow dabra. But I just decided to add this at the bottom. I love the ribbon. It has snowflakes on it that kind of match the snowflakes in the skates, but that's it. That's how simple this wreath is. It really didn't take me that long, and I hope you give it a try. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or you can email me at craftingwithlee@yahoo.com. Thanks so much for watching, and if you learned anything today or like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.